44 Fun and interesting facts about Germany. Germany has a population of 81 million people. One-third of Germany is still covered in forests and woodlands. Germany is a member of the European Union. 65% of the highways in Germany, Autobahn, have no speed limit. University is free for everyone, even non-Germans. There are over 2,100 castles in Germany. There are over 1,500 different beers in Germany. Germany is the 7th largest country in Europe, covering an area of 1,37,847 square miles, of which 34,836 square miles is covered by land and 3,011 square miles contains water. Berlin has the largest train station in Europe. Berlin is 9 times bigger than Paris and has more bridges than Venice. Germany is composed of 16 states. The states have their own constitution and are largely autonomous in regard to their internal organization. At the municipal level, Germany is divided into 403 districts, Kreise, of which 301 are rural districts and 102 urban districts. Bavaria is the largest state. Germany is one of the most densely populated countries in the world. Germany shares borders with 9 other countries: Denmark, Poland, the Czech Republic, Austria, Switzerland, France, Belgium, Luxembourg and the Netherlands. Germany is the EU's largest economy, with a gross domestic product (GDP) of $3.73 trillion and lies 4th place in the world behind the US, China and Japan. Germany is one of the world's largest car producers, selling 5.9 million cars in 2011. VW's Golf is one of the best-selling cars of all time. In 2012 it sold more than 430,000 Golfs around Europe, 125,000 ahead of its nearest rival. In 2013, the top-selling car brands in Germany were Volkswagen, Mercedes, Audi and BMW. The following cities have all at one time or another been capitals of Germany: Aachen, Regensburg, Frankfurt am Main, Nuremberg, Berlin, Weimar, Bonn, and East Berlin, and, since 1990, Berlin again. The first printed book was in German. Germany is one of the world's leading book nations, publishing around 94,000 titles every year. After the Irish, the Germans are those consume the most beer, making Germany the 2nd largest consumer of beer. The biggest beer festival in the world is of course the Oktoberfest in Munich, Bavaria, where the size of the beer glass is not 500 milliliters but a whole liter. To get one beer in Germany, you show your thumb. To show your first finger means that you want 2 beers, one with the thumb, and one with the finger. There are more football, soccer for the North Americans, fan clubs in Germany than anywhere else in the world. Germany has, once, lost a penalty shootout in a major football competition. It was in 1976 when the then West Germany lost a shootout 5-3 in the European Championships against Czechoslovakia. On the 4 other occasions the Germans have been involved in they won. The Christmas tree, Tannenbaum, tradition came from Germany. Germany has over 400 zoos. The most in the world. Toilet paper in Germany has the softness and consistency of paper towels. Most taxes in Germany are Mercedes. Holocaust denial is either implicitly or explicitly a crime in 17 countries, including Germany and Austria. The world's narrowest street is in Reutlingen. It is called Sprühhofstrasse and is 31 centimeters, 1 foot, wide at its narrowest point. The Chancellor's office in Berlin is known locally as the washing machine. Germany is a leader in climate and energy policies. It made a decision in 2011 to decommission all nuclear power stations, then producing around 18% of electricity consumed by 2022 and to replace them with renewable energies and new storage for green electricity. In Germany there's no punishment for a prisoner who tries to escape from jail.